Good morning, everyone. So it's Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. Yeah. We're in West Islip. We're actually working for a referral from one of the local landscape companies that sends us work. That owner has a waterfall that someone built. The person who built it's out of business and it leaks. And it's got cement in it, which the cement fails. So we're here to fix it. It's got a lot of areas where it's leaking out. It's going, the pool's getting filled up with dirt. So we're gonna take apart a couple of these spots and add some boulders and stuff and fix it. So I'll give you a shot right here of what it looks like. So this is the waterfall. All the stuff on the bottom, which is cemented in, has now started to wash away. And there's actually, if you look down there on the bottom of the pool, you have to clean it out on a daily basis. We're going to refoam a lot of these edges, add boulders going down the side, put some boulders over there, cut back some of this, add a Japanese maple in the middle, and fix this thing up. And get this thing worked out and hopefully get this running properly. Hey, so I figured I'd give this a little tip, and I'll probably try and post this outside of my YouTube video, but people always ask me why I don't like using cement in water features. Beyond the fact that like at times spots in here it's gonna break down because freeze and thaw in winter, and this is gonna be redone like someone that's done multiple times throughout this little feature here. But if I take you down, so this is the edge, so they put a liner in, didn't put the normal 45 mil EPDM, but they put a liner in here, and if you see over here, my hand disappears about 2 inches. You get underneath this feature and my hand's disappearing a couple of inches. In this middle area, if you take a look, I made my hand over here, it's disappeared, in a foot or so deep. It's just the cement they put in there is just, broken down. It's no longer got its form like cement should. Sorry, sliding around here. So you see, it's just turned back into, the properties of what cement start out. It's sand, some aggregate, some Portland, and so same in this middle area. If you take a look, my hand doesn't fit, but I put a screwdriver in here and it disappears about 12 inches. So that's the reason I really don't like it. I like using the foam. I like using the silicone, and that's what we're gonna do to fix this area up. Thanks again. Got it cleaned out. Now I've got all the areas foamed all the way underneath and siliconed on the faces where we have liner and the rocks, as well as the pool liner coming together. So now this thing won't leak. The big areas where I have the foam coming all the way out, it is rock solid over there. So fell into the water, but yeah, we got this part all set. Anthony and Ricardo are working on the top area, and I'm gonna hop out to give them a hand. All right, so we're all complete here. We framed out the edges of this because you had issue with the water running off, fixed a bunch of these areas where the rocks just felt awkward, fixed the middle. Water's got more of an even flow. Again, same on that side. Now there's a planting pocket there, small one here, same as one here, big one there. Underside has been foamed off the rest of his yard. is in great shape. You know, he does a lot of it. You know, he's got these palm trees, everything frame it. So I wanted to kind of have this. So we helped kind of fix this so it looks the way it should. And they have a Japanese maple in the middle, kind of to frame that out. Fixed, up and running. Water's flowing, it's staying inside, not leaking out.